Unified cloud sensors powers the industrial Internet of Things and machine learning for the weighing industry. This application is designed for monitoring truck scales that use 8 digital load cells. The principle of this system is based on connecting the digital weighing indicator to a UCSX2 or UCSX3 module via the serial port. The module operates autonomously, collecting information from each weighing and transmitting it wirelessly to a server. All data transmission is secured with certificates. Data storage, processing, and presentation are managed through a responsive web interface. After logging in through the registration page using your access key, we arrive at the main screen of the SensWEIGHT application. This tool has been specifically developed for truck scale weighing, although there are also versions tailored for belt scales, silo weighing systems, dosing systems, and other customized weighing solutions. On this initial screen, we can see a list of all monitored scales. The latest alarms triggered by both the scales and the load cells. An interactive map showing the geographic location of each monitored scale. For advanced users, a set of quick access icons allows direct navigation to the key features of the application. It's important to note that the application is responsive, meaning that on mobile devices, not all fields will necessarily appear, nor will they follow the same sequence shown here. By selecting a specific scale, we enter its dedicated page, where we see a real-time graphical representation of the total weight. The current weight displayed at the top, along with the main parameters of the scale. The detected alarm data, the type of indicator and load cells, as well as the status of the weighing, the status of the indicator, and the status of the UCS module. A section to select each of the digital load cells. Various interactive indicators, including weight graphs per cell, weight distribution, and access to the UCS analytics. The instant weight distribution lets us visualize how the load is shared across the different load cells. Detailed information per cell, both in calibrated weight and internal divisions, enables precise analysis and comparisons, either across all cells or selected ones. Each load cell can be independently selected. The actual and past measurements in units of weight and internal divisions will help to analyze expected and unexpected values. Through the alarm panel, users can view the status and total number of alarms. A simple color code makes interpretation easy. Green means no alarms, while red indicates that alerts have occurred. Now let's move on to UCS Analytics, a powerful suite of tools for analyzing both the weighing process and the scale's structural performance. Using line charts, bar graphs, or tables, we can observe the usage of each load cell over a defined period, helping identify wear patterns. Additionally, the contribution of each cell to the total weight gives insight into the performance and role of each component from a statistical perspective. The radar chart provides a comprehensive view of how the platform's weight is distributed over the cells, revealing potential mechanical or structural issues as they evolve over time. The load cell correlation heat map helps identify dependencies and interrelations between cells that might otherwise go unnoticed. There's also a diagram for accumulated weight by time period and grouping, allowing for detailed performance analysis. Other available features include a list of individual weighings, zero tracking per load cell, historical weight distribution across each load cell. SensWEIGHT is an application under continuous development. Thanks to its ongoing monitoring system, machine learning models can be integrated to generate new data and enhance existing features. Coming soon, new features will be added, such as the estimated speed of the truck as it enters the scale and the load asymmetry on the vehicle. SensWEIGHT represents the natural evolution of weighing, efficiency, control, and strategic insight in a single solution, within an environment where every decision matters. Having real-time data makes the difference between moving forward or falling behind. At Unified Cloud Sensors, we don't just implement digitalization. We transform it into a tailored competitive advantage, ready to revolutionize the way you work. Thank you very much for your attention.